So last session, we are discussing the construct the state model for given differential equations and the transfer functions. So today we are discussing construct the state model for in the translational mechanical system and the rotational mechanical system. Okay, so the electrical system. Okay, translational mechanical system ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాం స్టేట్ మోడల్, rotational mechanical system ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాం, అండ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సిస్టమ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాము, సో ద చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ translational mechanical system, construct the state model for given the translational mechanical system. So this is the one of the translational mechanical system. Mass 1, mass 2, mass 1 and mass 2 connecting between the K12 and the B12. M2 is connecting only K2 and B2. Mass 1 displacement is Y1, mass 2 displacement is Y2. Applied force F of t. Okay, so ఎలా చేస్తామో ఒక్కసారి చూద్దాం. ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ద గివెన్ mass 1, so connecting K12 and B12, M2, K2. This is K2 and this is B2 and K12 and B12. So that displacement is Y1. Second mass displacement is Y2. And the applied force F of t. Okay, so this is the translational mechanical system. Okay, so first in this translational mechanical system, first elements check cheyandi okkasari. Mass element M is mass element, M1 M2 is mass elements, and K12 is the spring element, B12 is the frictional coefficient. Okay, Y1 Y2 is the displacements F of t. First draw the free body diagram, of mass 1. So mass 1 ki free body diagram note chestunna. Mass 1 ki connect అయిన ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమున్నాయో చెక్ చేయండి. ఏమేమి ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయో చెక్ చేయండి. So mass 1 connecting elements, applied force is one side F of t, opposing forces M1 opposing force, K12 B12. Okay, so force ni oppose చేసే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమున్నాయని చెప్పాను ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ లో. మాస్ ఎలిమెంట్, spring element, B is frictional coefficient. So Fm1 mass element opposing force, Fk12 so spring element opposing force, and Fb12 frictional coefficient opposing force. Fm1 mass element opposing force, K12 spring element opposing force, B12 frictional coefficient opposing force. ఒక్క నిమిషం. హలో, ఎక్కడ Fm1, Fk12, Fb12. So by Newton's second law, what is Newton's second law? Sum of applied force is equal to sum of opposing forces. Sum of applied force is equal to sum of opposing force. So F of T is applied force. Opposing forces Fm1 plus Fb12 plus Fk12. Fm1 plus Fb12 plus Fk12. Okay, mass element opposing force Fm is directly proportional to acceleration of the body. What is acceleration? D square by dt square by 1. Fk, spring element opposing force, is directly proportional to the displacement of the body. Displacement enti y. Frictional coefficient opposing force is directly proportional to velocity of the body. What is velocity? D by dt of y. Okay, so Fm1 ante enti? M1 constant into acceleration ante enti? D square by dt square y1. First displacement y1 kabatti y1 plus B12 frictional coefficient opposing force is directly proportional to velocity of the body, d by dt of. So K12 and B12 connecting between two displacements y1 and y2. So y1 minus y2. Clear all of you? Place spring element opposing force is directly proportional to the displacement of the body. This is first equation. Next, free body diagram of mass 2. So mass 2 ki free body diagram note cheyandi. M2 applied force is 0. Applied force unda mass 2 ki? There is no applied force, it's 0. And the Fm2 and Fk2, Emma, B2, K12 and B12. Okay, so
Baba.
mass 2 की ए एलिमेंट्स कनेक्ट है K2, B2, M2, K12, B12. 5 elements. Opposing forces Fm2, Fk2, Fb2, Fk12, Fb12. So applied force is 0. Opposing forces Fm2 plus Fb2 plus Fk2 plus Fb12 plus Fk12. Okay, mass element opposing force is directly proportional to acceleration of the body. M2 into d square y2 by dt square, d square y2 by dt square plus b2 into d by dt y2, Emma, plus k2 into y2 plus b12 into d by dt of y2 minus y1. So second displacement minus first displacement plus k12 into y2 minus y1. This is the second equation. So first, draw the free body diagram of mass 1, free body diagram of mass 2, and the Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? Sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. These are the free body force balance equations. Mass element అనేది oppose చేసే force directly proportional to the acceleration of the body, and B element frictional coefficient opposing force is directly proportional to the velocity of the body. Spring element opposing force is directly proportional to the displacement of the body. Second, free body diagram of mass 2, connecting elements, applied force one side, opposing forces is another side. Okay, so this is the procedure. Next, ఏమ్మా ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. So first, free body diagram of mass 1 note చేసా. Newton's second law in the force balance equations. Free body diagram of mass 2 ఏమేం కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి? mass 2 m2 b2 k2 b12 k12. Same by Newton's second law. Sum of applied forces is equal to sum of the opposing forces. In the opposing forces, m2 b2 k2 b12 k1. Okay, and apply the Newton's second law. Okay, mass element opposing force is directly proportional to the acceleration of the body, frictional coefficient opposing force, velocity, spring element opposing force is the displacement. Okay, so from equation 1, this is important. So first equation 1 ఏముంది? This is equation 1. ఈ equation 1 లో lowest term ఏముందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. So in the first displacement is y1. So in the lowest is y1. Okay, so y1 take x1 is equal to y1. You are draw the state model. X1 is equal to y1. x1 dash is dy1 by dt. Okay, x1 తర్వాత వచ్చే స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి? x2. Next, x2 is again differentiate d square y1 by dt square. Clear all of you? So ఈ యొక్క ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఏముంది? లోయెస్ట్ y1. So y1 is considered x1. x1 is differentiate x1 dash dy1 by dt is equal to x2. x2 is again differentiate d square y1 by dt. Next, in the second equation, what is the lowest term? White. Next state variable em తీసుకోవాలి. So the next state variable is x3. So you will take x3 is the second state variable. ఏమా? So x3 ni second state variable గా తీసుకోండి. Okay, so again differentiate ఒక నిమిషం. So x3 is take y2. ఏమా? సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏంటి? y2. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో లోయెస్ట్ ఏంటి? y1. సో x1 is y1, x3 is y2. x3 dash in the one time differentiate dy2 by dt. x3 తర్వాత వచ్చే స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి? x4. Again differentiate x4 dash. It's d square y2 by dt square. D square y2 by dt square. So first equation lo d square y1 by dt square is highest. Next d square y2 by dt square. Clear? So same construct the state model x1 dash, x2 dash, x3 dash, x4 dash. Okay. So equation lo anni substitute cheyandi. x2 dash, x1 dash, x1 and same x4 dash substitute cheyandi. So after that calculate the state model. State model consists of two equations, state equation and the output equation. Okay, so ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. x2 dash is equal to u of t by m1 minus b12 by x2. So అన్ని equations note చేసేసేయండి. After that construct the state equation. x1 dash is equal to x2, x2 dash x1 యొక్క coefficient minus k12 m1 minus b12 m1 k12 by m1 b12 by m1. Same in the x4 dash. x4 dash యొక్క terms అన్ని coefficient state model state equations అన్ని note చేసాయి. Okay, so m1 y1 output equation y1 y2 y3 y4. Same procedure in the second problem. Construct the state model for given translational mechanical system. Same problem. Okay, so free body diagram of mass 1, sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. Okay, mass element oppose chese force acceleration proportional ga untadi. Spring element opposing force is directly proportional to the displacement. So k12 is connecting y1 and y2. So k12 into y1 minus y2. Next, the free body diagram of mass 2. Okay, applied force is 0 and the opposing forces is m2, b2, k12 and the b1. Okay, and the Newton's second law, sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. Free body diagram, sorry, force balance equations. Okay, so in the first equation, second equation, same construct the state model. Okay, so this is the procedure to find the state model. Okay, and the same in the problems. Construct the state model for armature controlled DC servo motor. So already manam chesam kadamma armature controlled DC servo motors second unit lo first topic ade. Okay, aa procedure prakaram cheyali. Okay, so this is the procedure to find the state model, to construct the state model. Next, one of the important derivation. 1 minute. Okay, find the solution for homogeneous state equation. Solution for homogeneous state equation. Emma, so manam homogeneous equation and the non-homogeneous equations calculate cheyali. Okay, so problem is very important amma. So first, state model consists of two equations, state equation and the output equation. Two equations unnai, state equation okati, output equation. So manam state equation ki homogeneous solution calculate chestam. What is state equation? X dash is equal to ax plus bu. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. apply Laplace transform of first equation. So the Laplace transform of x dash is equal to s into x of s minus x of 0. Laplace transform of x dash is s into x of s minus x of 0. So a is constant, x is x of s, a into x of s plus b into u of s. Okay, so in the homogeneous equation, the input value is u of s is equal to 0. In homogeneous equation, u of s is equal to 0. So next, s into x of s and a into x of s. So x of s term is sent to the left side. S into x of s minus a into x of s is equal to x of 0. X of s is common. So x of s into, so a is the matrix. So in the s term into identity matrix. So manam solution cheyadaniki possible avvadu kabatti, so the A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So S into, assuming the identity matrix, it's also 2 by 2. So it is depends on the A matrix. A matrix is 2 by 2, assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. A matrix is 3 by 3, assuming the identity matrix also 3 by 3. So x of s is common. Si minus a is equal to x of 0. What is happened x of s? Si minus a is sent to the right side. Si minus a whole inverse. ఏమైతమ్మా right side వెళ్తే 1 by si minus a. Okay, so what is 1 by si minus a? Si minus a whole inverse. Okay, into x of 0. X of s is equal to si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so apply the inverse Laplace transform. Apply the inverse Laplace transform. So Laplace inverse of x of s and t, x of t. So the solution x of t is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. This is the formula of homogeneous equation. Okay, so homogeneous equation x of 0 gani ichadanukondi. So the Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, and the next one, the find the non-homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous state equation. So this is also very important. First, the state equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. Apply the Laplace transform. What is the Laplace transform of x dash? S into x of s minus x of 0 is equal to a into x of s plus b into u of s. Okay, so x of s is sent to the right side, x of s term in the left side, si minus a into x of s is equal to b into u of s plus x of 0. Okay, so x of s is equal to si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s plus si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Emma, si minus a ni sends to the right side in the first term and the second term. Si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s plus si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Apply inverse Laplace transform. Laplace inverse of x of s is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into b into u of s plus si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so this is the non-homogeneous equation solution, and the last one is homogeneous equation solution. Okay, so next, discussing the one of the problem, a linear time invariant system described by the homogeneous equation. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఒక హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడంట. ఇదేంటిది? ఎక్స్ డాష్ స్టేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ కదమ్మా. ఎక్స్ డాష్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏఎక్స్, అంతేనా? హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ x1 dash x2 dash is x dash. This is the A matrix. This is state variable x. X dash is equal to ax, and the initial conditions x of 0 is equal to 1 0. Obtain the solution for state equation. Obtain the solution for state equation. What is the solution for state equation? Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, so first calculate si minus a. After that, calculate the si minus a whole inverse. After that, multiply with x of 0. After that, apply Laplace inverse. This is very, very important 7 marks question. Okay, so first calculate the si minus a. So the A matrix is 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. So A matrix 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. What is the formula of the homogeneous state equation? Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. So the A matrix is 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so si minus a first calculate chest. A matrix 2 by 2 matrix kabatti, assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. What is the identity matrix 2 by 2? 1 0 0 1 si 1 0 0 1 minus 0 1 minus 1 minus 2. Emma emostadi s s into 1 s minus 0 s s into 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 s into 0 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 s into a 1 s minus of minus 2 is plus 2 s plus 2. Okay, so si minus a whole inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. What is the formula of A inverse? So the A matrix is 2 by 2, 1 by AD minus BC, imma D minus B minus C and the A. Okay, 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, A. Okay, so using this formula, 1 by s into s plus 2 minus of minus 1 into 1 s square plus s plus 1 and the d minus b minus c a s plus 2 1 minus 1 s. Okay, so this is the procedure, and calculate the si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. Okay, So si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. So s plus 2 by s plus 1 whole square into 1. So s plus 2 by s plus 1 whole square plus 0. And the minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 0. Okay. So ఫార్ములా ఏంటి మనకి? లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. ఓకే. సో మనకి ఏమేం ఫార్ములాస్ తెలుసు? లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 by s is 1. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a e power minus at. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a whole square e power minus at into t. ఓకే. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మనకు తెలుసు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ s plus 2 by s plus 1 whole square in the first term. In the second term is minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square. So in the two terms, there is no formulas. So apply the partial fractions in the first term, apply the partial fractions in the second term. Two terms ki partial fractions apply cheyi. Okay. So a value b value calculate chesanu. Em vachindi first value 1 by s plus a value is 1, b value is also 1. 1 by s plus 1 plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square. Second one is already minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square. So in the first term is 1 by s plus a formula. Second term is 1 by s plus a whole square formula. Okay. So what is the formula of 1 by s plus a? E power minus at. What is a value? 1. The second one, t into e power minus t. Minus a value is 1. T into e power minus t. Next, this one, t into e power minus t. This is the calculating the homogeneous equation. So ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని చెక్ చేయండి.